everybody, so I'm back at the unit.
Hi everyone!
It is Friday. I've been here all day, but we've had loads of people in and out, so I haven't really filmed much, but a lot has happened. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what we've been doing for the last, I don't know, three days. I don't know what it is. Okay, so nothing's really happened upstairs. We're still waiting for the flooring to be done, but we've started painting the blue stairs grey, which looks so much better. I need to do these bits because you can see them. So I'm going to do that today. I can't paint the handrails because I need a smooth grey paint, because the paint that we've chosen for the stairs is like special commercial anti-slip paint, and it's really rough. So I'm going to have to actually sand it off these bits and paint them smooth, because I think people are going to graze themselves against them, but that needs to be done. But they look so much better. My lovely boyfriend Hugh, who is here, you might know him from YouTube camper vans. He's built this amazing counter, which he's going to clad so that it looks like that up there. And he's going to put internal shelves in it, and obviously it's not finished, but it's really great. I finished painting this cupboard. We just need to put the door handles on it in a minute. Now, over here is Hugh's now workroom. But IKEA has delivered all the furniture, so we've got chairs, shelves, sewing tables, wall shelves, legs. There are all the trestle legs. This is another fabric stand that Hugh's built me that's also going to be cladded. All the wood for the frames and the other fabric stand. These are going to be the communal tables that I've just put the legs on. My mum's friends Tina and Hannah came this morning and they put together all the chairs. We put these two massive cutting tables together. These are actually going to stay here. This is where we're going to cut all the fabric. This is going to be like the fabric shopping area. Mum and I put this together. That's going to have all the wool on it. We need to put the pegboard up there. What else has arrived? We've taken, this is just all the scaffolding tile. We need to put that away. The baby changing table has arrived. I finished painting that annoying glossy bathroom door, but it's done now. And then if I take you inside the bathroom, I've sealed the floor in here, and Mum and I built this shelf that's going to go in the corner just for like extra storage, and the baby change is going to be on that wall there, so you can sort of put things on the shelf. I might put a couple of nappies and stuff in here for emergencies. I just need to get a shelf in here and well, I think a mirror. Like, I need a mirror in a girl's bathroom. But yeah, let me just turn the light off. So yeah, everything's been going on really. And then in here we have some desk chairs that Hugh's mum found in an office, and we built that desk. Got the fridge. There's going to be staff tables and chairs and a table for our lunches. And then yeah, this is what the sort of inside looks like. Obviously it's not finished, but Hugh's going to put loads and loads of storage in here, so we have loads of shelving to put stuff in. And then under here is going to be doggy daycare. This is going to be Luna's bed. So exciting times. Hello everybody and welcome back to the unit. So today we are starting on the wall hanging. So Hugh is just up there trying to get the projector to shine my design onto here. So Mum and I have cut all the panels. There is actually 5 panels. We just hooked them over some MDF boards, and we're hoping to draw the design on using the projector and then sew all the fabrics on using those lines. So I hope it works, but I just thought you'd like to see the process. And then the only other thing that Hugh has done is started building the fabric bolt display. Obviously it needs supporting, but the framework's there, so we're hopefully going to finish that today. Oh, sneak peek. Hello everyone, so it is, what is it? Tuesday morning, and Mum and I have been here all morning at the unit. We're still working on the mural. You can probably see what that is from here actually, because it does look really good, but I don't want to give it away too much. So we've been doing that all morning, and then we are going to come back this afternoon to do some tidying, because I still need to seal the last section of flooring. And lovely Hugh has left me with a lot of mess, but he's coming back tomorrow, so I'm not going to do too much clearing up. I just want to be able to seal this section of flooring in front of the roller door, because it's like one big thing that I need to tick off my list. But the counter is cladded now, so that looks really good. Oh, and the fabric roll store is also covered. So the cladding makes a huge difference, so that's good, and nothing else has changed. It's taken us so long to do this mural, but we're hoping, what do you think, Mum, we'll have it finished by the end of the week? Fingers crossed. So here we are, the sewing school is finished. We've been open for 2 weeks now. I'm sorry that this video has taken me a while to upload, but we've been very busy, as you can imagine, welcoming people in, booking them onto workshops, welcoming to our daily clubs. We've got Knit and Natter, we have sew sessions on a Wednesday, which I'm really looking forward to starting, after school clubs. We've got loads of workshops until Christmas that we're sort of taking bookings for, so that's really exciting. But yeah, I'm just so happy with how everything's turned out. It's been a lot of hard work, a lot of long hours from all of us, my family, my friends, everyone. But we're here and it's done, and the feedback so far has been amazing. So hopefully we will be able to welcome some of you in here soon if you live in Dorset. For those further away, I'm really sorry, but I will be vlogging from the sewing school on hopefully a weekly basis anyway. So you'll be able to see in the building now and again. And I'll show you what I've been working on. But yeah, it's been a lot of fun, and it's just nice to finally be open. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next week. Happy handmade!